Welcome to a new course. This time we're talking about portfolios. In this course, we're going to talk about what are the different types of portfolios that you can use with your students. There are different types of portfolios we're going to talk about. So let's start with the first one. The first one we're having here is called work in portfolio or work in progress. In this portfolio, we're collecting all of the students' work from the beginning till the end so that we can see their progress during the semester. So if I'm teaching academic writing and I'm starting from a paragraph to an essay, so every time the students are going to write a paragraph, I'm just going to take it, give them feedback, they correct it, and then they rewrite it again, and so on. So what will happen is this. They are going to keep in their portfolio all the samples that they have done, all the work that they have done, so that they can see their own progress from the very beginning till the level that they have reached. That is called work in progress or work in portfolio.